Sinabi ni Coach Francis Vicente, bahay natin to. And indeed, a lot of National University fans in the stands cheering on their home team. And Vicky Valdez is also in attendance, as well as many other big names, personalities. Mosey Ravenna, our colleague, and 30, her son, part of the athletes program.
Of course, all here to watch the exciting game.
And it has been an exciting matchup so far between NU and UST. Lantin sets it up. Pam Lastimosa. Nothing there yet. Ivy Perez sets it up for the rookie Aika Urdas. Quick attack for Santiago. Denied.
And this is what you've been saying earlier.
The matchup at the middle position.
Just as we expected, it's a one-man block there by Ortiz. I see Coach Oji Mamo now at the sidelines really, giving instructions.
And nobody able to handle that hit by Kai Nepomuceno. Coach Oji Mamon has been up on his feet for the entirety of this game so far.
We can probably expect him to be up on his feet most of this game.
Kai Nepomuceno has been very active today here, at least here in the first set, because she has really sort of taken a back seat to Pablo and Dindin so far here in season 75. But anytime Kai can really emerge and be her usual self, Dindin Santiago couldn't adjust. Had to manufacture a way to get that ball across. Couldn't do it.
And in this rotation, not to take away anything from their new player, crucial. It's a crucial position that you're playing if you're an outside hitter. And Urdas, of course, still very young. Makikita mo even in the approach, still a bit awkward. And she hurt me that time, nailed that attack. So makikita natin at that last play where Dindin was blocked, most of the balls were really given to her. She was already, it was already very predictable.
Dindin Santiago will now have to play from the back row, but we know there are times when Perez does set it up for some back row attacks. To Dindin, of course. Tuna! Mishit there. Straight to the net. Now, Coach Oji Mamon calls for time, so we will listen to his huddle right now.
Binabaan yung sarili nyo. One good receive. Gawa mong paraan yan. May option ka naman eh. Hindi yung hagis na lang ng hagis. Ayusin nyo yung receive position nyo para maka-receive kayo. Nagtatago kayo, lalo kayong tatargetin. Lalong liliit yung space nyo. Ha? Huwag nyo lang combination, huwag matakot. Pag may umatake sa atin, overrates ha?
Habulin natin!
Coach Oji Mamon, I'm sure he's also happy to be coaching here inside the MOA Arena, having played for UST for 5 seasons, 1988, 1983, won UAP championships, a middle hitter as well during his playing days, like Santiago, who's serving right now, and of course Micah Ortiz. Lantin decides to take matters into her own hands. I was just talking about a back row attack for Dindin. She got one right there. No point though. Lastimosa gets denied and more taunting at the net. Look at this, Ad.
Blocking at its finest for both these teams.
And Perez, along with Dadang, letting out a howl after getting that block. Lantin sets it up. Pam Lastimosa challenging once again Perez and Dadang, at nakabawi si Lastimosa.
Well, Lastimosa knew that Dada had more advantage over Perez, so he tried to bring the ball to the direction of Perez.
Pam Lastimosa has had a good season for UST, starting when Maru Banatikla was recovering and coming off the bench. Another mistake for Dindin Santiago. There were a couple of games wherein Pam Lastimosa scored a lot of points. 12 against NU in the first meeting, so NU, I'm sure, knows that. 15 against Adamson, so Lastimosa is trusted by Coach Audrey Mamo, as is the captain, Judy Caballero.
And that's what you have to love about Caballero. She's been given the ball quite a number of times, but in that last attempt, she found a way to get that ball through.
Another deadlock here in the first set. Wow. I don't know how NU got that across once again after that miscue by best friends Jen Reyes and Kaine Pomoceno. But nevertheless, the ball is still live. Long rally. Perez to the middle. Sheshe Dadang, dug up by Tunay. Caballero has to adjust. Perez. Nepomuceno sets it up for Aiko.
Not enough power. Miscalculated that last attempt.
Coach Francis Vicente calls a timeout. You saw how that last rally ended.
Datang saka ito ang blocker. Ano naging ganon? Kinakapos ka. Oh. Pag pangit ang set, anong dapat gawin? Hahatawin niyo pa ba? Tapol niyo sa gitna.
Gawa ng paraan.
Gawan niyo ng paraan yun. Dahan-dahan kasi natataranta kayo. Eh, ano ngayon kung 21-20? Let's go, receive. Wala. National. 10 set pa lang yan. Let's go.
Coach Francis Vicente sees an open spot on the UE defense, the middle, and if NU can't find a decent way to hit the ball, he'd rather see them go for a drop ball towards the center. And look at all the fans standing.
How much people, really want to watch this game live.
And those people standing, I was told that they own standing room only tickets. So just to be here inside the arena to witness this historic day in UAP women's volleyball is good enough for them.
So in that last call made on Santiago, she was a backliner. A back row player, but she stepped on the attack line, and we know kung a back row player ka, and you're going for that attack, you cannot go beyond the attack line. So good call there made by our officials.
The USD hoping to pull away to notch this first set. And remember, in the first round meeting, NU went up 2 sets to none before USD won the third set, lost the fourth. Take a look at this.
Look at this, Caballero.
So they got the check ball. 23-20. USD 2 points away from taking the first set. Perez sets it up. Aiko Urtas, Jessie De Leon, and Lauren Nazir were there. But the ball went beyond the sideline. So point for NU. Lantin sets it up to the captain, Caballero, going down the line. Now, the Tigers have arrived at set point, and in comes Ingrid Reyes and Micah Ortiz. This is an Oishi. Oh wow, moment of the game. Judy Caballero showing her pride. Oishi, oh wow, open up to everyday surprises. Let's see how NU will respond. Perez sets it up for Myla Pablo. Nothing there. Jen Reyes. Back up to Myla Pablo. Dug up by Ingrid Reyes. Caballejo. Drop ball. Nepomuceno was there. Ortiz with a block on Ivy Perez, and UST has taken the first set. One more time. Perez deciding to hit it herself. Well read by Micah Ortiz. So, in our first set played ever inside the Mall of Asia Arena in Pasay City, UST takes it against the home team, NU 25-21. You're watching UAB Season 75, brought to you by ABS-CBN Sports.